Find theta if this guy equals this guy. Solution. So we have 81 raised power sin square theta plus 81 raised power cos square theta equals 30. Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So this implies that we have 81 raised power sin square theta plus 81 raised power 1 minus sin square theta in place of cos square theta equals 30. So which implies 81 raised power sin square theta plus 81 raised power 1 times 81 raised power minus sin square theta equals 30 using laws of indices. So this implies that we have 81 raised power sin square theta plus 81 divided by 81 raised power sin square theta equals 30. So let x equals this guy, 81 raised power sin square theta. This implies that we have x plus 81 over x equals 30. When we find the LCM here, we have s squared plus 81 equals 30. Cross multiplication, we have s squared plus 81 equals 30x, which implies x squared plus 81. When this guy comes to the left side, it becomes negative, so we have minus 30x equals 0, which implies, let us rewrite this equation. So we have s squared minus 30x plus 81 equals 0. By factorization, we have x minus 27 times x minus 3. S minus 3 equals 0, which implies s equals 27 or s equals 3. So now, our value for x is 3 or s equals to 27. Since we let s to be equals 81 raised to our sin square theta, so let's write it here. We have when the value of x equals 3, so we have 81 raised to our sin square theta equals 3. So we write 81 as 3 raised to power 4 sin square theta equals 3 raised to power 1, which is 3. So since this base is the same, we have 4 sin square theta equals 1. So dividing both sides by 4, we have sin square theta equals 1 over 4. When we square root of both sides, we have sin theta to be equals 1 over root 2, which implies theta equals arc sine of 1 over root 2. Therefore, theta equals pi over 4 degree, which is 45 degree. For the second part, when s equals 27, so when x equals 27, so we have 81 raised power sin square theta equals 27, which implies 3 raised power 4 sin square theta equals 3 raised power 3. Since the base is the same, also here we have 4 sin square theta equals 3, which implies sin square theta equals 3 over 4. When we take the square root of both sides, we have square root of 3 over 2, because square root of 4 will be 2. So now this implies that theta equals, when we take the arc sine of root 3 over 2, we have 60 degree, which is pi over equals pi over 3, which is 60 degree. So we can now claim that the value of theta equals, we have theta to be pi over 4 here, so we have pi over 4 comma pi over 3. So that is the value of theta. Thanks for watching. Consider to subscribe.